Welcome to the best picks. The best hybrid gel kit is probably one of the most sought-after nail solutions for beauty enthusiasts, offering the glossy shine and long-lasting wear of gels with the ease of application and removal of regular nail polish. Today, we will deep dive into what makes a hybrid gel kit stand out from the crowd and how to choose the perfect one to create stunning manicures at home, saving time and money compared to salon visits. Number 5. SUNUV Sun 2C UV Nail Lamp. Say goodbye to smudges. This lamp offers various timer settings for quick or thorough drying, ensuring your nails are always perfectly set. No more buttons. It automatically turns on when you place your hand inside and off when you remove it. Simple and convenient. It's compatible with all gel types, from base and top coats to colored gels and hard gels. Get the perfect finish every time. This lamp emits safe, daylight-like light, protecting your skin and eyes. Enjoy worry-free manicures and pedicures. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to use anywhere in your home. Take your nail care to the next level with ease. What we like? It boasts a smart sensor and multiple timer settings for a quick and customized drying experience. If you value convenience and compatibility with all gel types, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for busy individuals who want salon-quality results without the salon wait. What people say. It turns on when you place your hand into the lamp. That's very convenient. It also has various timers you can set. The opening was big enough to accommodate my hand comfortably. Also, it can be used to cure gelled toenails. It's easy to clean since the bottom plate detaches from the light hood. I've used many different gel brands and I haven't had a single issue with anything not curing as long as I followed the cure time set by the gel polish manufacturer. I like the option to either stick your hand in and have the light turn on automatically, or to press the buttons for a set time. I especially like that the 60 and 90-second options start out with a lower level light so that you don't get a heat spike with gel polish. I've used it for a variety of colors in builder gel, and so far it has thorough cured my gel each time. Number 4. Beetles Poly Nail Extension Gel Kit. Tired of expensive and time-consuming salon visits? This kit lets you create gorgeous nails at home, saving you both time and money. It includes everything you need: gel in 4 colors, nail molds, a dual forms pen, base and top coats, and more. Get started on your at-home mani-pedi today. This kit uses toxin-free ingredients for long-lasting, high-quality results. With proper application, it can last up to a month. The poly gel is easy to apply, even for beginners. It's stronger than builder gel and cures quickly under a lamp. It's important to read and follow all instructions carefully. Avoid contact with skin and eyes, and discontinue use if irritation occurs. Keep out of reach of children. What we like? This all-in-one kit lets you create salon-quality extensions at home, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to achieve long-lasting, beautiful nails, this is it. It's perfect for those who love DIY and want to explore nail art at home. What people say. It was easy to use compared to actual acrylic and not sticky if you use the correct solution. The gel is easy to work with. I use alcohol instead of the slip solution given with the package. This kit is super beginner-friendly. I had no problem with the brush or anything else in this kit. Number 3. Modelones Poly Nail Gel Kit. This complete kit has everything you need for professional-looking nails at home. It's perfect for creating beautiful, long-lasting extensions. You get 2 30 ml poly nail gels, a base coat, a top coat, slip solution, dual forms, and all the tools you'll need to get started. It's all in one convenient kit. It's designed for easy application, even for beginners. The gel dries quickly under a nail lamp, sold separately, and lasts for up to a month. With proper application, your beautiful nail extensions will last up to a month or even longer. Enjoy salon-quality results at home. When you're ready for a change, simply file down the extensions. A nail drill can make the process even faster and easier. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, please contact us for assistance. Always do a 24-hour skin test before use. What we like? It features a fast-drying formula and comes with everything you need for easy application. If you want long-lasting, professional-looking nails without the hassle, this kit is for you. It's ideal for beginners who want to achieve beautiful, durable nail extensions with ease. What people say. This product will save you so much money. No longer do you need to go to a nail salon. The nails came out thick and dried right, plus no bubbles, and the product is much easier to work with and shape, especially since it won't dry until you use the lamp. Remember to use a fair amount of slip solution on your brush so it's not sticky. Number 2. MOROVAN Poly Gel Nail Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to create beautiful, long-lasting nails. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. It includes a 48W UV lamp, base and top coats, 6 pure colors, and 2 color-changing gels. You'll have everything you need to get started. This kit makes creating stunning nail extensions simple. They'll last for about a month or longer with proper care. The poly gel is easy to shape and apply, allowing for smooth, flawless results. Experiment with different styles and designs. Use a slip solution to prevent sticking, and file and buffer to remove or change your nail art. It's easier than you think. We stand behind our product with excellent customer service. Contact us if you have any issues, we're here to help. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a UV lamp and all the necessary tools, making it perfect for beginners. If you're starting your nail extension journey, this kit provides everything you need to get started. It's a great option for those who want a complete, easy-to-use solution. What people say. This set came with everything needed. It was fun and easy to learn. This kit came with everything I needed and more. It lasted about 2 weeks. Number 1. Modelones Poly Nail Gel Kit. This complete kit has everything you need for beautiful, long-lasting nails. It's perfect for beginners and experienced nail artists alike. It includes 6 gorgeous poly gel colors, a powerful 48W lamp, and all the tools you'll need for application and removal. Everything is included for a professional finish. The detailed instructions make application simple and straightforward. You'll be creating stunning nails in no time, with minimal mess. With proper preparation, your nails will last up to 2 weeks or more. For even better adhesion, use a nail dehydrator and primer. The lamp features 3 timer settings and an automatic sensor for ease of use. Cure your nails quickly and efficiently. When you're ready for a change, simply file down the gel and use a buffer. A nail drill can speed up the process. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for a replacement or refund. We're here to help. What we like. This kit comes with a powerful UV lamp and a variety of colors to match any style. If you need a long-lasting, versatile option with a powerful lamp, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different nail art designs. What people say. This starter kit is perfect for any newbie to polygel nails. This kit comes with everything you need: UV lamp, nail forms, polygel, slip solution, base and top coats, tweezers, clippers, nail files, and dual-ended applicator brush and scooper. The UV lamp was effective at curing the polygel. There are 3 times setting buttons: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. The UV lamp also has an auto sensor, so it will turn on and off with movement. The gel, while it can get a bit messy, is fairly easy to work with. It's also easy to file and shape after curing. Everything in this kit worked as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.